So now it's time I have to change the battery for a smoke detector. See, you hear that noise? It means it's time for change the battery. Okay, so when we know the battery is out, when it make the noise, so we pull this cap on the side and take the battery out. And this is 9-volt battery, so we need a new one. So change the new one. Okay, can you give me another one, please? The new one, please. Okay. So this is the new battery, 9-volt battery. Put it back on. Yeah. Make sure they all the way right at where they are. Okay. Put it back on. Put it back like where they are earlier. Okay, that's all. To be shaped, anytime we hear the beep, so we have to change the battery. That's be shape side. Thank you for you watching and have a good day. I will see you next video. Bye bye.